Hello guys, I am Radhika Thakre. This video is about the task 1 of web development and design internship of graduate rotational internship program of the Sparks Foundation. The task 1 is about the dynamic website, which is the basic banking system. This is about the dynamic website which I have created. I have used in the front end I have used HTML and CSS as the basic building blocks, and I have used MySQL database with the help of PHPMyAdmin. In the backend I have used PHP, and for the hosting I have used 000 web host, and the IDE which I have used is VS Code. Now I have logged in the 000 website, 000 web host. Here we will go inside the manage websites. Then in the web host file manager, here in the public.html we have all the files and images which I have used here, and this is the JPG images, and this is the ID 178 Indian bank .sql. This is the SQL file which I have used for creating the MySQL. This is the CSS file for the index page. And this is the transfer money .php where I have written code for transferring the money. Then this is transaction history.php. And this is the config.php. For I have written the connection statement in config.php and have imported that wherever it is needed. So we will go into the tools and then the database manager. In the database manager you can see the database which I have created in this file, and the host is localhost, and this is the username of database. And this is my GitHub account where I have posted this project. Here I have posted all the details about the basic banking system and also the flow of this. Then now we will go inside the my sites. Then this link, we will open this link. It will now run this website, and here it is the home, then transfer money, transaction history, and LinkedIn. Firstly we will go in LinkedIn. It will open up the LinkedIn profile of Sparks Foundation. Yes, here you will see this. Then now we will go for about us. In the about us page, open the official page of the Sparks Foundation on the Chrome or the browser. Then we will go in transfer money. Here we can do pay operation. Yes, then we simply choose the to whom we want to pay, and then the amount, then transfer. Here we will see this kind of message that the transaction is successful. Then the history page is open, and here you will see the transaction history with the date and time. Now we will return to home page, and the functionality of these two is also same, that is transfer money, and then the transaction. This is all about the task 1 of GRIP, that is professional internship program of the Sparks Foundation. You like the project? Thank you so much.